In today's video, I'm going to be setting the handbrake of the car. So what it's currently doing, when I pull the handbrake up, so I pull it up and then there's not much, how can I say, there's not much keeping the car. So the car tends to move still, you see. So I'm just scared one day I'm going to pull the handbrake up and then the car decides to roll. It actually did happen in the past where the handbrake was a bit loose and I actually forgot. And I pulled up the handbrake and then the car actually rolled to the back and the door was open. So I was actually opening a gate, so the car actually rolled with the door open and the door ended up getting stuck on the side of the wall. So then the whole door at the bottom basically bent out and then I had to do that whole bottom of that door, which I didn't like. So yeah, so just to prevent further encounters like that, I choose to see that the handbrake is always like stiff. So hopefully if you have a 160i or any car that has the same setup, so at the back it's currently it's drums with brake shoes. So yeah, it's very easy to set. Before we go further, I just want to thank everyone for the first vlog on the car. The feedback was actually very good, and that actually like made me more motivated to actually like carry on with this vlogs. So yeah, I'm always open to change on the channel, so you can like comment what you want on the channel, what I can improve on, what I can add on the channel, and so forth. And yeah, so if you didn't yet, please do subscribe to the channel, and do like this video, do comment on it, and most importantly, what I actually realize I every time forget, you guys must actually click that notification bell, so whenever there's content that's coming out, you will be getting notifications. Because I see a lot of the views comes from people that's not subscribed, and the people that is subscribed is like a small percentage, man. So I don't think everyone click the notification bell, so please do click that. Yeah. Yeah, so obviously the first step, you have to jack the car up and then make sure that it's secure with something underneath. In this case, I don't actually have any jack stands, so it would have gone much faster. And I could have jacked up the whole back of the car and then just put the car on stands. And unfortunately I have to now jack up the one side, do the one side and do the other side again. And yeah, another thing, I like wearing gloves when I'm working, so then yeah, your hands don't get dirty and stuff as much, so it's easier to clean. So yeah. In this case, I'm gonna put the wheel directly under the car, so just for safety. Okay, so next up we have to remove the drum. So we basically use a mallet or hammer, and then you basically just hit around. You have to loosen, we have to hit the handbrake down so that it's able to turn, and you can just handbrake turn off and hit. As you can see, it is off now. Let's check Just check all that brake dust. I think I'm first gonna clean this thing nicely out. So maybe if you're taking the drum off, make sure that you're having newspaper or cardboard under, just so that you don't miss it much. Okay, I don't know if you can see this gear over here type of thing. So basically this, you have to move the driver and then you just turn it. Basically move it. So you count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna see how this is gonna work. So what you do on this side, you have to do on the other side to make it equal. Make sure the stuff is centered. Else you're not gonna be able to get this thing on. So then you put the drum back on and you test it to see if it's very loose. In this case at least a little bit loose, but it's just take it off again. So the way I actually test if it's strong enough, you take 2 nuts and then you take a pull and then you basically just do this to see if it moves. But remember to pull the handbrake up. So as you can see, it's still not enough, so you have to adjust it more. So I'm just going to test it again to see if it's moving. So that is tight. So now what you do on this side, you just do on the other side. Oh yes, and another thing to remember when you do turn your wheel nuts in, make sure it turns in freely before you actually tighten it, as you may cross thread. Okay, so to the guys who are interested, I am selling VAD tire shine. So I'll just show you now how it looks. So that is the bottle. So I've been selling this now for like a few years already. And those who know, who bought from me, or all customers know that it's a quality product. Basically, it soaks in the tire and it doesn't create like any fatty layer on the tire. So if you touch on it, you will feel that there's not much layer on the tire, so it soaks in. As well as so like with thicker tire shines, it usually gets applied on like a lotion. It's like a fatty layer, and it attracts a lot of dust and sand and things like that. And yeah, this one do actually last long as well. So I wash my car every week, so you could say every week or so it does last. So basically it's 50 Rand a bottle. If you are interested, it will help me a lot. So you can get in contact with me, and yeah, then you can come buy you a bottle of tire shine. So it works on the exterior, all your exterior, your beadings and everything. And then it also works in the interior and on your dash. It has a nice smell as well. So yeah, I'll appreciate the support. The car review on Sunday. In that video, I'm gonna discuss some details for a giveaway. So yeah, so there's a business that's coming on board. I'm gonna advertise for them in that video. So that business is basically gonna do a giveaway for you guys. So the lucky person will obviously win. So stay tuned for Sunday night. Pops and bangs. the guys that I've done a video on before, so I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, that's Mandy. Hopefully he's watching. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it helped some of you. It's quite easy, and yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something. Those who didn't know how to like set the handbrake and stuff. And yeah, so please stay tuned for more episodes on the car itself, hopefully soon. So yeah. Yeah, so I really hope